Hello, creative souls. Join me this week as I challenge myself to sketch a stunning landscape right here in nature, all whilst battling with the elements. As you'll see, it was pretty windy out, but it's easy to find inspiration from the surroundings. There's something truly special about sketching in nature. Not only does it allow us to connect with our surroundings, but it provides endless opportunities for inspiration and growth as artists. Being outdoors, surrounded by the sights, sounds, and smells of nature, can be incredibly liberating for our creativity. It's a chance to unplug, slow down, and really observe the world around us. Here you can see that I'm packing up a variety of tools from pencils and pens. You must not be afraid to experiment. Try to capture the essence of the scene rather than getting bogged down in details. And most importantly, remember to relax, take your time, and enjoy the process. So, having got back from my nature walk and my plein air sketching, I'm just going to go into my sketchbook. I did two small sketches. They're actually the size of my viewfinder. I drew around the viewfinder and thought I would do two mini sketches. I didn't take any paints out with me today. I just packed this little pencil case. There's my viewfinder. I literally drew around it, but I packed a little bit too quickly this morning and I didn't take the right colours with me. So I haven't done any coloured pencil work on here. This is Neo Colour 2, which I'm just going to go over now with some water and see how it turns out. I took my micron pens, so I used a micron pen to initially sketch this one, and then just literally drew over the top with some Neo colours, knowing that I'd want to get back into the studio and just go over the top with some water. And then I used this PENTEL brush pen, and I don't know if you watched the video where I went to Norway and sketched at the top of the mountain, and this is the pen I used. And I really like this pen because you can get nice thick lines, but also you can get quite thin detailed lines. So this one here is literally the forest path that I walked up, and it was quite overgrown. So this is a big tree and lots of sort of bracken and trees in the background. So I don't know if I'm going to add any colour to that. I might just leave it as is. But I'm going to do this one now. And like I say, I'm going to drop some colour in and see how it turns out. These are the original colours that I took, so all very autumnal, but didn't have quite the right range. So I'm thinking that maybe the Derwent Intense pencils might give me the range that I want. I hope you've enjoyed spending the day with me in this week's video. An autumnal day, a nature walk, sketching plein air, and then finishing with colour and detail in the studio. Thank you for watching.